Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start with a good quality needle and thread. In this video, I will show how to needle and thread. First, select a needle with an eye that matches your thread's thickness. Cut a length of thread, about 18 to 24 inches, which is roughly 45 to 60 centimeters. This length is manageable and prevents tangling. Moisten the very end of your thread to stiffen it, then carefully push it through the needle's eye. Once your thread is through the needle, pull it until one end is slightly longer than the other. Now, let's create a secure knot. Bring the two thread ends together, making them even. Wrap both ends around your index finger once or twice, then use your thumb to roll the wrapped thread off your finger, forming a small loop. Pull this loop tight to create a firm knot at the very end of your thread. With your needle threaded and knotted, you're ready to begin stitching. Insert the needle from the back, or wrong side, of your fabric, pushing it through to the front. Gently pull the thread all the way through until the knot you just made catches securely on the back of the fabric. This ensures your knot is hidden and your first stitch is firmly anchored, preventing it from pulling through. To make a basic running stitch, after bringing the needle to the front, push it back through the fabric a short distance away, perhaps 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, or about 3 to 6 millimeters. Pull the thread completely through to form your first stitch. Continue this process, creating even stitches and maintaining consistent spacing. This technique is fundamental for many sewing projects and ensures a clean, durable seam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.